Something you never want to see, a connecting rod snapped in half and actually twisted a bit. Take a look at this. These bearings, well, this one's brand new. This one, totally worn out. And this piston, man, the top's burnt. It's beat to pieces. It looks terrible. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. You know, it's all about the maintenance, my friends. Take a look at this graphic right here. This is a maintenance schedule. And those check marks, well, it's riddled all the way across. And Len, it doesn't stop at 100,000 miles. It just keeps going and going and going. So you're gonna have to have a specifically designed oil for that when you get up into that high mileage, don't you?
Yeah, exactly. And we do have a high mileage oil.
And you do, and pretty cool because it does a bunch of things. What about reduces oil consumption? How does it do that?
Well, if you get an engine that has a few miles on it, sometimes there's deposits in there. So we put a good heavy dose of detergency in there that helps clean out the deposits, helps those rings reseal.
And it also fights those deposits. I mean, the oil is formulated to do that?
Yeah, correct. Because again, you don't know the condition that the engine is in. It could have been, not well maintained or things like that. So you get in there with a lot of detergency to get it cleaned up right away.
The bottle says it protects against leaks. How does it do that?
Correct. Being a mechanic, they tend to leak after a while. Seals get hard, they crack. We've got a seal conditioning agent built into this product. It's got a boosted level of that helps soften those older seals and gives them a new life.
So how do I even find this oil, and when would I know to switch?
75,000 miles, 100,000 miles, you start getting in there. It's really up to you. That's kind of where we recommend. You can check out AMSOIL.com, type in your vehicle and make your selection.
Now, do you have a specially designed oil for a hot rod like Crusher's 67 Camaro here behind us?
We do. That would be our Z-Rod product on that car, actually, because it is a classic and it is designed for that motor.